I'm so lazy to go out, but I need to pamper myself. No problem, let me show you a self-care tutorial at home. Before the video starts, don't forget to click subscribe. What's up everyone, welcome to Living with Me. Remember to stay till the end of the video for some bonus tip. Also, the products shown in this video are not sponsored, so if you're interested, please leave a comment below. Let's get started. For hair, the first step is to apply shampoo. I'm using Diana Extra Smooth and Straight. Take a few minutes to massage into your scalp. Next will be conditioner, which I'm using the same brand. Leave it on for at least 5 minutes. Lastly, it is hair mask. Leave it on for 15 minutes. After the hair is dry, apply hair tonic. I'm using Biosis. Spray into every section of your hair and gently massage in your scalp. Lastly, don't forget your roots. I'm currently using Mishacin serum. Apply to the tip of your hair. For face, most importantly, it is clean. Start with facial scrub, and I'm using Simple. Next, use a normal cleanser, which I'm using Clary Gentle Foaming Cleanser. But don't forget your lips, which I'm using a random blend. Okay, so now face is clean. Before applying anything, stick on the Biore pore remover, making sure the area is wet. At the same time, pluck unwanted light brown hair. After 5 minutes, remove it. Then start apply toner, which I'm using Clarins. Next, eye cream from TWL. I use till the wooden hand drop. Bonus tip, using gua sha plate, gently massage for absorption. Next, apply serum. Okay, so here my second bonus tip for V-shaped face and blood circulation. Using the gua sha plate, scrub it for 5 times each area. Press at designated area. Lastly, use a roller 5 times at each area. Once it's done, put on a mask which I'm using Innisfree aloe vera mask for 10 minutes. You can lie down on your bed or simply like me, just sit and relax. Lastly, eyes is as important, so put on cow eye mask for 5 minutes. For body, use a body scrub. I'm using St. Ives, and after that a normal body wash, which I'm using Sukubuzu. Remember to scrub your feet as well. Okay, after you have dried yourself, trim your nails and cuticle. Next, use a body lotion. I'm using Nivea Intensive Moisture Body Milk with a drop of lavender oil. Apply to every part of your body, massaging your shoulder, hands and feet. Apply treatment oil to cuticle and you are done. That's the end of the video. So do you have any tips to share with me? Please leave your comment below. Lastly, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn your notification bell so you'll be informed when I post a new video. Goodbye! That's the end of the video. So do you have any... Also, What's up everyone, welcome to